Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your username in TikTok app. Okay, so in order to do that you need to go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon, and you need to tap on this edit profile, this button. Okay, just tap on that, and here we have this username section. Okay, so mine username is zon1 and 123. Okay, so yours might be different, and here we have this message. Okay, username is your unique identity on TikTok. Once you change it, you won't be able to change again within 30 days. Okay, so make sure guys you read this message. Okay, so we want to change it, so you just need to tap on that. As you can see, important, username is your unique identity on TikTok. Once you change it, you won't be able to change again within 30 days. Okay, so just tap on this, got it. And here we have this edit section. We can edit it easily. So let me type mine new username. Okay, let's just and after you're done typing your username, you just need to tap on this save this button. This username has been taken. Okay, so let me try something else. Again, let me tap on the save button. Okay guys, so it's now edited. You can see my new username tinjon121. Okay guys, so in this way you can easily change your username in TikTok app. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.